Okay. Gotta move all the crap out of the way if we can do it. Don't forget to put the brake calipers on correct. Now, were those bolts Loctite on the caliper, or were they just rusted?
What's that?
The brake caliper bolts. I think they were rusted in there.
No, I just had it off and back on. I glued everything.
They didn't want to come out, that's for sure.
Yeah. That's me.
Okay.
I think these are the same size spacer.
I need to look. Speedometer guard, wasn't it? That's what I thought was on this side. You got me.
They're just a come here different.
They are different.
Alright, so shall I check the book and see what it says?
The book's not going to tell you nothing. It's a secret. Well, it's 50-50. Put it up in there and we'll look at it. If it's right, flip it around the other way.
Yep.
But that's hard to figure out.
Yep.
Okay, where's your actual? It's up on the tape there, Tanner. Okay, here, you take this side, I'll take this side.
Yep.
And the last spacer up in here. You can't get
Go
up in
ahead.
here.
Go ahead.
Okay. All right, now you just do a finger test. It's pretty equal to me, what do you think? Some more precision. Bigger than this. But you're pretty equal. You're about 50 thou more on that side and you're 50 thou more on this side. Alright, it's square. Got it right first time. Good enough. Yeah, looks like a nut.
The nuts. Guessing this is going to be this guy. Which way is it?
Oh, drag, it turns. That's not the one for the nut. Crescent is just one for the nut. Probably like a 3/4 or something. Okay, hold it. That should be enough. Okay. 50 thou clearance on that one, and how much you got on that side? About 50 thou.
Hey.
There you go. You good to go? You got 50% chance of getting it right, we got it flipped out. Well, you spent 3 hours on a damn Google trying to figure it out.
Right?
Takes you fucking 5 minutes to do it, find out yourself.
Nice and tight.
That's
It's
good.
nice and tight.
Alright, get your caliper going. Mine's already started. Hurt.
Shiny one up top, right?
You're looking for?
Locked up.
No damn lock turn on. Get my
Shorty one up top, right? Nope. Oh yeah, sure. For sure.
extension would be nice, but we don't have it, so just gotta watch your fingers. It's alright. Time I find it, we'll be done. I don't think I was using it before. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Wheel turns, tighten up. Okay.
Happy with that?
My side's just tight, I put no lock on it, so tighten play one. One squirt, two squirt, three squirt. And they're working. The front brake's so mushy. Lock
It is mushy in the beginning.
You can Loctite those later.
Thank you.
Let's get the air out of the system here. Rotate the wheel.
Nothing, huh? That's weird. You're having trouble with there.
It's all mush.
Why?
It's all mush.
Alright, well, I've got that 5. I won't torch you with it. I'll bleed them and
It bleeds at the instant like this. You just gotta, I don't know why it's. I'd pop the bleeder right there with the pressure, see if there's any air in there with it. It might have some air. Is this how it felt before? It was real mushy.
no, I mean it worked. It's weird.
I don't know, is there fluid in it? Just doesn't have a little bone on it. I guess I'll have a look on top. See fluid in it?
Shit, it's on the top of the sight glass.
Yeah.
There, it's just.
I'll let it sit.
Either way, like, you know nobody's ever. You know what I mean? So, I'll drain all the old fluid, I'll put new in, and I'll bleed them, you know?
Yeah. Definitely is mushy. It works, but it's mush. Shouldn't be that much.
I think, you know, when I put this new, remember I had that issue with this
Master cylinder.
clutch, exactly.
Or clutch cylinder. Yeah, that's hydraulic clutch.
Yeah, hydraulic clutch. You know, I had the issue with the other one. I put that one on her. I've noticed she's a little sloppy, so I think I have air in that system too from that. You know, must have worked
Yeah.
around. I need to bleed that one out too, so just have like a bleed day, you know.
All right, put your cover on your Loctite. I like that one covered. Push the bottles on the side, let it all drain out. All right, front wheels on. We got to find some motor mount nuts tomorrow. Hopefully they got some over at your Ace Hardware guy. And then we'll go ahead and then we put the rest of the motor back in the bike where it belongs. And then we got to start rebuilding the top end. Got all day to get a job done.
Dude, if things go our way tomorrow, I'm trying to sneak out of work.
Yeah, no, I'll be doing it myself.
All
All right, that's it for tonight.
slap in here.